Sargent. I'm back today with another video, and today I thought it would be really fun to test out one of the new trends, which is like neon everything, neon makeup, neon clothes, neon shoes, all of it. So I thought it'd be really fun to do a look inspired by these highlighters. And I used the melt stack this is the Radioactive stack. So if you guys want to find out how this performed, because this is my first time using this one, and if you guys want to check out how I did this neon makeup and follow along with me, then just keep watching. So I'm going to be using the Radioactive stack today, and if you guys haven't seen this, it's full of all neons. That. I was inspired to do this look from these highlighters here. Neons are like really huge right now, so I thought it would just be really fun to do an all neon look. So getting started, I am going to go in with this fluorescent pink color. This is called Radioactive, and I'm just going to be sweeping that into my crease and kind of building it up. I'm going to start out really light at first because this is a pigment, I believe, and I have no idea how bright it's going to be. I do want it somewhat diffused looking, but then I am going to build it up in the crease here in a little bit. Also, I should mention that I have my base already done, and I went ahead and filled in my eyebrows, and I filled them in using the Anastasia dip brow in the color taupe, and then I used ColourPop's Brow Boss gel just to brush all of my eyebrows straight up. So I wanted a little bit different look today, so just like kind of like bushy eyebrows. Being that these are so intense, I'm really not sure how these are gonna blend just yet, so I'm trying to be careful. But I do want this pretty like blown out today. I want to drag this out to give it like an elongated shape today. And I'm also taking this right up to my brow. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my thinner fluffy brush and just take this pink right into my socket line and just deepen up this crease. And now I'm just going to go back in and just blend that out. Next up, I'm going to take this neon yellow color, and this is actually called Neon, and I'm just going to pat this down on my lids. The color payoff on these is really good too. Usually neons are kind of chalky and they don't work that well, but not the case with these. Okay, so I have my lids pretty well covered in that yellow. Now I'm going to go in with this bright orange color called Radon, and I want to just pop this underneath my eyebrow at the very front, just where that shadow sits, just to add a little bit more interest. Next up, I'm going to line my lower lash line with this Kat Von D lip liner in the color Sexer, and this is just like a hot pink color. I'm also just going to run this along my lower lash line as well. And then I'm going to go straight in with this brush back into that fluorescent orange color, and I'm just going to press that down underneath my eye. Okay, so I went ahead and packed on a bunch of that orange pigment underneath on my lash line. Now I'm going to do my inner corner, and I'm going to be using Danessa Myricks waterproof cushion color in the color Electric Sun, and this is like a super neon, like yellowy green color. And using a small detailed brush, I just want to pop some of this on my inner corners. And I was just popping that down so that I could get this green color in the palette. This one is called Xenon. So I could get that to really stick to the inner corners. Yeah, that's really nice, like that nice intense pop of neon green. Alright, so I have that neon green stamped down pretty well. I'm going to go ahead and go in with some eyeliner now, eyeliner and mascara. I do have a dilemma though, because do I do black eyeliner, like a big black cat eye, or I have neon blue eyeliner, and would it be cool to do like a neon blue wing? I think I'm going to go with black. Okay, so I went in with Kat Von D's Liner X, and this is just like an ink pen liner. And next I'm going to use Kat Von D's Go Big or Go Home mascara and just coat my top lashes in that. Okay, so I have that mascara on. Next, I want to go in with some highlighter. I'm going to be layering highlighters today. I'm going to be using Kat Von D's Alchemist palette. I'm going to do a combination of green and pink today. I'm going to put the pink down first, and then I'm going to layer the green over the top. Pink, I'm almost just going to put down like where you would put blush. Okay, and then I'm going to layer the green right on top. Just a little bit higher. For lips today, I'm going to be going hot pink, and I'm going to start out using that Sexer lip liner from Kat Von D. Okay, and now that I have that shape down, I'm going to go in with Kat Von D's liquid lipstick in the color Backstage Bambi, and I'm just going to finish filling in my lips. Alright, now that that lipstick has dried down a little bit, I'm going to go in with Danessa Myricks Glaze, and this is just clear? Yeah, it's just clear. And I'm just going to lay this down over the top of my lipstick. Okay, and that is with the gloss finished. Okay, I think that that completes the look for today. I was going for a neon bold look. I wanted to use the melt stack, the Radioactive melt stack, which I have to say is pretty amazing. I have never used it before, but I think just laying these down as a pop of color just in the center of the eyelid or on your inner corners could be totally wearable. I realize not everyone's going to want to go out in this sort of look, but you know, this was just for fun. But I think if you just did like a smoky eye or even like a neutral eye with just a pop of color of one of these, it would just be amazing. So anyways, I'm really happy with that. As always, melt delivered. So if you guys have any questions, just go ahead and pop those down below. And don't forget to hit subscribe. If you liked this video and you want to see more of my makeup videos, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also don't forget you could follow me on Instagram if you'd like. I have plenty of makeup on there as well. And I think that does it for me today, guys. I hope that you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!